Gold traders, today is not a day to gamble into the first move. This is the June 3rd gold window plan for XAUUSD. The main message is simple: respect the news danger windows, wait for liquidity, and only participate after clean structure appears. Today is a high conviction gold day. The calendar has labor market and services data risk, and that means gold can expand fast, sweep liquidity, and punish early entries. The edge is not guessing the data. The edge is waiting until the market shows its hand after the release. The main items today are ADP employment at 8:15, ISM Services at 10, and Treasury Secretary Besant also speaking around 10. These events can move Treasury yields and the dollar first, and gold can react violently through those channels. The trader's job is not to predict the number. The job is to respect the danger windows. The danger windows are 8:15 to 8:45 and 9:45 to 10:15 New York time. During these periods, the market owes you nothing. The first move can spike up, spike down, widen the spread, and fill late entries at bad prices. Stand aside and let the candle do its work. The safer windows detected are 8:45 to 9:45 and 10:15 to 11 New York time. The best practical window is 10:15 to 11. This is the later window after the major news has printed, when gold has had time to sweep liquidity, reveal direction, and offer a more honest retracement. Before the news, mark the important liquidity levels. During the news, do nothing. After the news, wait for the story. If price sweeps one side and displaces cleanly, then look for the fair value gap and the retracement. No clean story means no trade. This is the execution filter. Wait for the sweep, wait for displacement, wait for market structure shift, wait for a clean fair value gap or low volume gap retracement. The stop must go beyond the swept liquidity, and the minimum risk to reward must be 2 to 1. One clean trade is enough. Here's the risk rule. If there is no sweep, no displacement, no fair value gap, or no clean retracement, there is no trade. If price is sitting in the middle of the range, there is no trade. If you feel rushed or emotionally attached to a direction, there is no trade. The goal is not action. The goal is clean execution. Final message: use reduced risk around USD news, respect every danger window, and let price reveal direction. The clean trade is the one that forms after liquidity is taken, structure shifts, and the risk to reward is worth the stop. Subscribe for tomorrow's gold window before the New York session. Disclaimer: this content is educational only and is not financial advice. Trading gold, Forex, CFD, futures, and leveraged products carries significant risk. Always do your own analysis and manage your risk. No sweep, no displacement, no FVG, no trade. If this gold window helped you trade safer, subscribe, like, and comment what gold did after the news. Watch the next XAUUSD plan before tomorrow's New York session.